What's up, guys?
Good morning.
Good morning. Our video for today is about road test. Sa video na to, guys, disclaimer lang, requested by our subscriber lang itong road test na to. Kaya ginawa namin to para din sa lahat, since na-request ni ate. So, disclaimer lang, hindi kami magaling dito sa driving.
Hello, Tyrion.
Pardon me?
Hi, I'm Derek. I'll be your driver examiner.
Oh, sorry, we're not.
Is this Tyrion?
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
Tyrion Hambier?
Pardon me? Napagkamalan pa kaming magro-road test. So guys, anyway, this video is just like based on our own experience from our previous instructors tsaka examiners. So kung ano yung nakaligtaan namin, tignan nyo na lang, mag-search na lang din kayo.
Oh, dagdag ano na lang.
Ito lang is like based on our own experience lang. Hindi kami driver instructors or driver examiners. Sa mga nagbabalak pala guys na mag road test or mag-learn ng driving, kailangan yung gawin is first, pass your written exam and eye exam. So kailangan yung gawin muna yon unang-una sa lahat. After makapasa kayo sa written exam and eye exam, after 2 weeks, marireceive niyo yung learner's ID nyo, yung card. And after nyo na-receive yung learner's ID nyo, magbubook na kayo ng 6+6. Dito kasi guys sa Canada, kailangan yung mag 6+6. Ibig sabihin is 6 hours in class, mag-a-attend kayo ng in class, and then 6 hours in car. So, in order for you to avail that, kailangan nyong magpabook sa mga licensed instructor dito sa Saskatoon or kung saan man kayong lugar dito sa Canada. After ng 6 hours in car and 6 hour in class, pag natapos niyo yon, bibigyan kayo ng instructor nyo ng certificate card. Yung certificate card na yon, kailangan nyo yun sa pag gumawa kayo ng road test. Diba, after nyo ng exam, meron kayong ID card, learner card, and then after ng 6 in car and 6 hours in class, makaka-receive kayo ng certificate. Kailangan nyo yung certificate card na yon para pakuhanin kayo ng road test. Pag wala kayong ganon, hindi kayo tatanggapin, hindi kayo fully qualified na mag-take ng road test exam. Pero pag meron kayong license back home like Philippines or ibang bansa, ang pagkakaalam ko ay kailangan nyo lang kumuha ng road test. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng 6 hours in class tsaka 6 hours in car. Road test na lang. Bubuk mo yung road test mo online or pwede ka pumunta sa SGI para i-book yon and then get ready for your road test exam. Para pala makapasa ka ng road test, kailangan you must have at least 10 mistakes. Kailangan 10 mistakes, siya 9 eh. Konting-konti na lang, isa na lang. Pero pag minus 10 kayo, pasado pa rin kayo. Minsan may mga minus 11, hindi ka na pasado. Depende na lang kung pagbibigyan ka.
Isa na lang sana, no?
After passing your road test, magkakaroon kayo ng Novice 1. Yung learner na card nyo is mapapalitan nyo na Novice 1. Novice 1 na siya. And then, after 6 months na nagda-drive ka, or hindi ka man nagda-drive, pag naabot mo yung 6 months without violations, without any violations, automatically magno-novice 2 ka na after 6 months. And then, after 6 months, novice 2 ka na, di ba? And you have to count 1 year para maging class 5 ka. For example, novice 2 ka nung April 2. Then, April 2, 2022. And then, yung class 5 mo is magiging April 2, 2023. Magka-count ka ng 1 year bago mo siya makuha yung class 5. What to do prior to road test? Get your car ready, check if it's safe for road test. Bring your 6+6 certificate and learner card. You must have a class 5 driver with you. Arrive 15 to 20 minutes prior to your road test time. Here are some tips to remember during road test. Always check your passenger seatbelt before you proceed. Make sure that both hands on the outside of the steering wheel on opposite sides at a 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock position. Avoid distracted driving. Remove anything that could distract you while driving, like coffee cup and cell phone. Avoid changing lanes in or near an intersection. It's not in the law that you can't do it, but it might cause collision. Change lane. Look at the road. Turn your signal on. Check your rear mirror, your side mirror, and blind spot. Change lane if safe. In four-way stop, if you arrive first at the intersection, you have the right of way. But if you arrive at the same time, the one at the right side goes first. Turning signals are essential for letting drivers know the direction a car wants to go. Must stop completely in the stop sign or stoplight. Make sure to stop behind the line, count 1, 2, 3, then proceed. Avoid wide turn. When turning right or left, make sure not to touch the line at the center. Make sure to follow your speed limit, not too fast and not too slow. Here are some tips to do parallel parking. Signal right as you approach the car. Make sure the distance between the car at least 3 feet apart. Align the car mirror to the other car mirror. Put it in reverse. Check the rear mirror, side mirror, and blind spot. Turn the wheel 1 full to the right. Back up until the mirror is aligned to the left light of the other car. Turn the wheel all the way to the left and start reversing again until the car is straight. Straighten the wheel and put into park. Make sure to have at least 1 foot or 30 centimeter distance between the curb.
Before we end this video, shout out nga pala kay Walfredo Santos.
This is the end of our video. For all our subscribers, silent viewers, thank you so much for supporting us and for keep watching our videos. Maraming salamat guys. If you want these videos and if you have any questions, please like and comment down below. Please subscribe na rin guys. Salamat sa mga subscribers namin. Be happy, be blessed, and be yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.
Have a good day.